Hey guys, it's Reese. Welcome back to the channel. So, got 3 Diecast cars at local Walmart store. Unfortunately, I was not able to find the blue Porsche 911 GT3 or the 1965 or 67 Ford Mustang GT and like the Bullet movie paint job in the green with the white stripe. However, this is a start, so not complaining. This Pontiac right here actually makes something very important for toy car hockey history to happen, because I'm gonna make a separate video about it, but basically I could kind of tell you what happens. When I unbox this car, I will have 5 cars, which is enough for a car hockey team to be considered, more than half percent, well past the halfway percent, almost 100%, but not quite, because I end up using 6 cars per team. But some of the goalies, for like NASCAR, I can't really do a NASCAR for the goalie, because then no one could score in the toy car hockey event. So yeah, that's why the goalies only really matter if it's for like an actual country kind of thing. Technically, given the fact that that team would have 3 of this car, I'm not really going to care who the goalie is on that team, because when I make that video, I'll tell you who the goalie will end up being. So yeah, anyways, we'll be unboxing these cars so that you can see this video and let me know how it was and if you liked it or not. I will be back shortly with all 3 cars opened. Bye until that happens. So, here's all 3 cars open: the 2006 Pontiac GTO, the S15 Sylvia Super Silhouette, and the 1940 Ford pickup. So, 2 of these 3 cars are actually from a new Hot Wheels mini series for their mainline basic cars. It's called Hot Wheels Drag Strip. So basically that means we're going to see more drag-like cars later on this year from Hot Wheels, of recolors of new and old cars, like new cars as in from 1 or 2 years ago, or old cars of early 2000s or late 90s, stuff like that, because this is one that I'm talking about. I have not seen this truck get recolored in a very long time. I actually recall them having this in a Harley Davidson white, black and orange kind of paint job. And as you can tell, it actually says 1998 was the first one they made for this, and then 2021 was the second one. So they've really only made 2 color versions of this 1940 Ford pickup truck so far. So technically, I will actually have both colors of this truck. The other one's just upstairs though. But yeah, I'll do a comparison with those 2 dragster Ford trucks later on, after that hockey video is made for the toy car hockey team, the new one. Unfortunately, since I end up having 8 teams compete, that means 1 team will be leaving so Australia can replace them, because then if it's 9, that makes it uneven, so that wouldn't really work. Anyways, enough talk about other exciting toy car related things like hockey or comparing cars kind of videos for my channel. I mean, they're both really exciting. However, let me know what you think of this unboxing video and info video for those other things. So basically, this will be a toy car unboxing and information video actually, because that Pontiac means that Australia will finally have a toy car hockey team in a separate video, and also I will finally be able to compare 2 different colors of the 1940 Ford pickup truck if I happen to have the other one, which I should be able to find sometime today or this weekend. Bye everyone, thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your week and weekend. And actually, the weekend starts tomorrow, so yeah, I hope everyone will enjoy their weekend. And, just let me know if you find any cool cars on your videos, because I'm always watching other channels to see what they find. Bye, thanks for watching.